Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Olivia Rodrigo, right? This song is called Pretty Isn't Pretty. But this song is actually pretty anyway. Very good guitar song. It very suits the guitar in the way of playing. Very easy chords as well. And we can skip the capo here as well. We're going clean, so 6 different chords, I believe. Yep, 6 different chords. And we'll start with them right away. So let's look at the D first. That is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next is the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is a B minor. It's the bar chord here, bar placed on the second fret, and bar all strings except from the last E here. You don't need that one. So 5 strings from bottom up on the second fret, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have the A next here. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. E minor, so open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is a D, but with an F sharp in the bass. Sounds like that, beautiful. So that is second on E, and then I mute the next string with the finger I'm using there, the index finger. I'll lean that on top of the A string that gets muted. And then open D, second G, third B, and open E. There we have all the chords needed. 6 chords: D, G, B minor, A, E minor, and the D, F. All right, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern, because this is basically just about 2 different chord that goes pretty much one main, and the second one is in some parts there of this song. But we need to learn the strumming. That's very important. So the strumming covers 2 chords always. So we're going to look at the transition here of the first 2 chords, the D to G. So D is going to handle the part 1 of the strumming here. So that goes. All right, so that is down, clap, down, up, clap. So down, short pause there, clap, short pause, and then down, up, clap. All right, and then you shift to the next chord, in this case the G, and play up, up, clap, up, up, clap, up. So like this. Just ups here. Feels a little bit awkward perhaps in the beginning, but it's very logic there, because all the pauses there is where the downs should be, so to speak. So that's why it comes up, up, clap, up, up, clap, up. So and all the ups here, you don't go all the way up like this. It's just too blurry, too much sound there. So you just hit the bottom strings down here, the E, B, perhaps the G as well. You turn the wrist like this, snap it there. So slowly it's up, up, clap, up, up, clap, up. So if you connect these 2 chords to each other, it will be down, clap, down, up, clap, up, up, clap, up, up, clap, up. Sorry. Like that, all right? And then you just apply that all the way through here in this song here. So the main chord progression here will be D part 1 and G part 2. The combo we just looked at. And the next combo will be B minor part 1 and A part 2. So these 4 chords together will be the main part of this song. It goes like this slowly. Alright, you're gonna play that almost through the entire song, but at 2 different points, there are spots in the song at 1 minute and 40 seconds into the song. That's the first time here, and the second time will be 2 minutes and 27 seconds into the song. You will play a different chord progression, same kind of strumming, just different chords here. So you're gonna play E minor part 1. So down, clap, down, up, clap. And then you go to the D F chord and play part 2. And then you go to G again and play part 1. And then you finish off with A part 2. That chord progression, E minor, D, F, G, and A, you're gonna play for 2 rounds at both these spots here. The first one starts, like I said, on 1 minute and 40 seconds into the song. You play 2 rounds of that, and then you go back to play the main part, the D, G, B minor, and A. And then when you land at 2 minutes and 27 seconds into the song, you go back to this E minor, play the E minor, D, F, G, A for 2 rounds, and then you go back and play the main part again till the very end. And that pretty much covers Rodrigo's Isn't Pretty. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Thumb up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and support me like that. So thank you very much. Until next time, play tuned.